The Integrations page allows you to connect TechClass with external tools and manage programmatic access to your platform data. To access this, navigate to Configuration and select Integrations in the Admin Portal sidebar. The default Developer API tab provides the essential details needed for authentication. At the top, you'll see the base URL required for all API requests. Below, the API Keys section lists all active and historically revoked keys associated with your workspace. For security purposes, you are limited to a maximum of 5 active API keys at any given time. To connect a new external application, click the blue Generate New Key button. Enter a descriptive name and click Generate Key. A modal will present your new key. For security reasons, this full key is only displayed once. You must click the copy icon and store it securely immediately. Once you close this window, you will never be able to view the full key again. If a key is compromised or you no longer need an integration, you should revoke it immediately. Locate the active key in the table and click Revoke on the right side. Because this permanently breaks any integrations using the key, you must type the exact name of the key to confirm the deletion. For detailed endpoint schemas and request examples, click the View API Documentation button to open the comprehensive TechClass API reference in a new tab. Finally, switch to the Email Server tab if you want to route all platform emails, like user invitations and notifications, through your own SMTP infrastructure instead of the default TechClass mailer. Toggle the switch to enable a custom mail server. Here, you can configure your connection details, including the SMTP host, port, encryption protocol, and authentication credentials. Be sure to configure your sender identity with an authorized from email.